What is the difference between being alive and living? Living is experiencing other cultures, going on a journey, going on an adventure, seeing what the world has to offer.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
I want to start living.
Oh, those are big. That's papaya bread. Boho, no. It's pan. It's like this one. Panday. It's just not pan. Sorry, sore.
San Miguel light in a can.
Try it. Yeah.
No different than the one place in Dumagetti. All sold out. Okay. Do you have this? Nope. Sold out. Only got this.
Only
Like,
this.
oh, well.
Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. Hello to another fine day. Do you like my little setup here? Just stopped at this side road gig here called Charles Burger. This is the seating situation here. Little kitchen over there. We have left the other place and checking into another one today for the next 2 days before we leave to Bohol. Yeah. Let's see how this burger tastes. Chickens are different here, I guess.
Cool black and white one down here.
Aw. The heck is it doing?
Getting comfy. Getting all those rocks out of the way.
Like a dog.
Gonna drop an egg.
Plop. Right here. Yeah.
Can I take picture? Sure.
Yeah.
265.
265.
Alrighty.
Thank you, sir. Huh?
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
For wait for the change.
No, keep it. You keep it.
Keep.
Yes. Have a good day.
Thank you.
That was
You
good.
have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, what's
Bye. $39. We have checked into our new humble abode for the next 2 nights. We're at Anna's Bungalow Inn, and it's a studio room. It's the bed, queen size bed. No TV in here. There's a little fridge. It's got Wi-Fi. Let me walk around. I'm being really lazy. So that's the bed. Got AC right there. Got a little patio out here too. See outside. It's a really nice area. It's just not right by the pool. Not like right by the beach. And then here is the bathroom in there. Yeah, it's cute. This was about $39 for 2 nights. So yeah, we had a chill day today. We had a burger for lunch today, and that place was really cute. It was just like, one of those side on the road kind of places. But the guy was really nice, and he's like very health conscious, I guess. And he's like, his English was really bad, but he was trying to explain to us like he wants to make good food and very healthy food. So he like, when he makes his burger patties, he makes beef and chicken, and then he mixes in his patties carrots and potato and cucumber. He mixes it into the patty to make it like more healthy and put more like protein and whatever, not vitamins or whatever in it. And it's a small little thing from his house, but it was really good.
shack? Small table and that's it.
Yeah, a little shack. You can have it to go or eat it there.
And they took pictures of us.
They took pictures of us. Yeah, he was very excited. He was trying to talk to us, but his English was really bad, but it's, that's okay. It was fun. Then after that, we went to the port, get tickets for Tuesday to leave to Bohol. So you have to go to Lorena Port, and there's only one ferry per day, which leaves at 1 p.m. every day. So be there at around noon for boarding. And the tickets were 700 pesos per person. And yeah, what else? We checked out a couple gyms. And one gym is in Siquijor, and that one was 50 pesos per session or per day or whatever, per person.
Meathead gym. Prison gym.
And the other one is closer to this place, but they were 100 pesos, and they have kickboxing and Muay Karate or something like that. So they focus more on that. So they didn't have a lot for weightlifting, so we're gonna go to the other one. What else? I don't know. Now we're just chilling and just hang out. Living that island life.